on this 2010 through 2017 Honda Accord with the 2. For gas engine, U0151 means the gauge control module may have lost communication with the SRS unit. In plain terms, the cluster side and the airbag control side are not talking the way the network expects. Depending on the vehicle, you may see warning indicators, communication-related scan data issues, or the code may simply come back during a scan. The broad fault areas can include a possible communication wiring issue, a poor connector fit, or a module side problem. We are going to keep this one focused on the diagnostic path for U0151. Before you start, save the freeze data and any onboard snapshot information, then look over the basic troubleshooting information. Now clear the DTCs with the HDS. Turn the ignition switch to lock 0 and then back to on Roman 2, or use the engine start/stop button to select OFF mode and then on mode. Wait for at least 6 seconds, then check for DTCs again with the HDS. If U0151 does not reset, treat it as an intermittent failure. The system is okay at this time, so concentrate on loose or poor connections. If U0151 is indicated again, move into the FCAN line check between the gauge control module and the SRS unit. With the ignition in lock 0, or the vehicle in OFF mode, disconnect gauge control module connector A, the 32P connector, and SRS unit connector A, the 39P connector. Check continuity through each FCAN leg. For FCAN H, check between gauge control module connector A, 32P no, 19 WHT, and SRS unit connector A, 39P no, 34 WHT with the asterisk noted for that SRS circuit. For FCAN L, check between gauge control module connector A, 32P no, 20 red, and SRS unit connector A, 39P no, 35 RED with the asterisk noted for that SRS circuit. Keep in mind wire colors may be substituted for SRS circuits, so identify the circuit by connector and terminal, not color alone. If both FCAN wires have continuity, the FCAN wiring between those points checks OK, and the diagnostic call is to replace the gauge control module. If continuity is missing, the result points to an open or poor connection in the FCAN wiring between the SRS unit and the gauge control module. Do not jump past that result. Stay with the wiring fault indicated by the test path before making a module decision. The clean way through U0151 is simple. Save the captured data, clear and recheck the code. Then only if it returns, prove the FCAN H and FCAN L paths between the gauge control module and the SRS unit. If the circuit is open, stay on the circuit or connection issue. If the circuit has continuity, follow the module result from the diagnostic path. For more diagnostic training, visit stepdiagnostics.com.